Build cinematic moments where magic feels real, and every effect tells part of the story. Hi, I'm a VFX Artist Infinite VFX, here to help you craft cinematic effects that turn simple scenes into powerful storytelling moments. Use pro tools like ASS, UXR Multipass, and Red Giant tools to build strong, adaptable compositions while exploring and creating your own unique style. Break the rules by using 2D assets unexpectedly as set extensions, textures, and atmosphere to add depth and emotions with minimal tools. Learn real-world comp breakdowns from start to finish, unifying elements visually and conceptually to create polished cinematic shots. Let's transform your ideas into reality with effects that enhance every moment and visuals that spark awe and feeling. I'm Infinite VFX, a VFX artist, and I'll be waiting for you at Colossal.